world have a hot, you're sexy and beautiful mommy. Charot. Feeling lang guys, feeling, assuming lang, okay? In today's video, I'm going to do. In today's video, ito din pala guys yung mga sa cookie cutter, diba? Cookie cutter, ito ka nag-over. Marami akong mga ganito dyan guys. Tapos mga kailangan nyo. So yun na guys, we're here in my area, okay? So the things that you saw a while ago are the things that I invested with for 5 years, okay? Naipon ko bountifully yung mga gamit na yan because every time I went into the SM, okay? I went to SM, I went to the Disorder or other places where I saw Welcome back to Pearl TV. For today's video, I'm going to share with you some baking tips, okay? This vlog is about baking tips, okay? For those people who are trying to become a baker, okay? For the starters in baking. Because I've been practicing on how to bake, experimenting for more than 5 years, okay? So I think I have something to share with you that you can learn from with, guys, okay? The silicone pad, this costs 495, okay? 495, and this one I bought this in Divisoria. I think this is just 100 pesos then before. Ito mga ganito sa mga bazaar namin na, ay, oo, nabili namin to, mga good quality to guys. Ito, mahal to eh. Nakabili natin ng ano eh, discounted. Magandang klase yan eh. Ang metal. Yan. Branded siya. Ito mga ganito. Mga tag-price pa nga. Yan. Nabili namin ng mga discounted. Okay. So, ayan. Ito pag nagbibenta kayo guys, kailangan nyo yung mga ganito. Okay. Yan. Ito mga tips to for ano to eh. Sa icing. Ayun. Yung mga sa, yan. Mixer. Ito sa pizza cutter, cheese, ano, shredder ba yun? Tapos sa ice cream, spatula, gunting, mga kailangan natin yan. Yan, spatula. Kung nagbe-bread making kayo, kailangan nyo ng ganito sa pizza crust, okay? Spatula din yan. Kailangan nyo yan guys, and so many more. Okay? Ito, 3 layers. Yan, iba-ibang sizes guys. Ito muffin, ano to, molder, diba? Tapos yun, mga, ito yung rotating, ano to, diba? Lazy Susan. Lalagyan ng cake, ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ayan guys, mga pang-cutting to, pang-decorate din. Ayan, mga muffin, ano din. Ito sa banana cake to eh. Okay? Ayan, marami siya. Ayan, madami siya guys. Mga gamit ko. Okay. Ayan siya, mga molde. And then, yan, steam. Tapos mga ano, trays. Yan, mga trays. These are the things that essential for baking. Ito din, mga kailangan ng mga ganyan. Chopping board. Madami kang trays. Dapat marami kang mga mixing bowls, trays like chaplain molder, puto molder, okay? So, maraming mga ano, kailangan. Dami yung guys eh. Ito, mga chocolate molder. Okay. Tapos ito din, ito sa egg pie, ito pwede ito eh. Tapos pwede din yung sa mga loaf guys, mga ganito, diba? Okay, may small, may big, okay? Let's check. Yan, mga sa icing. Magagawa ka ng icing kasi, diba? Hindi ka naman nakakabili ng patingi-tingi nito. So, bumibili ka nito per 100 pieces. Okay, guys? So, ayun. Let's use this. Ito din pala, guys, yung mga sa cookie cutter, diba? Cookie cutter. Ito ko nagpupulbar. Marami akong mga ganito dyan, guys. Tapos, mga kailangan nyo sa ano, ha? Sa baking. Yun. Ito pang brush. Dito pang pintura sa ano, ha? Sa wall. Ginagamit ko ito pang ano ng oil. Okay? Tapos, different kind of tips. Okay? Yung mga tips, mahal din guys yung mga tips eh. You need to invest in tips sa mga cake making. Okay, so yun. Eto, kung nagpa-order kayo ng mga banana cake, kailangan nyo yan. Okay, mga ganyan. Gusto nyo mag-business, itong mga ganito. Eh yan, madami na akong nabilin yan. Kasi matagal na ako nagpa-order ng mga banana cake, guys. Maramihan, okay? Ito, silicone to. Magandang klase ito ng silicone. Yan. First, mahal siya, mahal. Ito naman na mixture ko, parang 800 lang ang bilhin namin yun noon sa SM, okay? Ito, I forgot the prices, guys. I forgot. So, ayun nga, guys. We're here in my area, okay? So, the things that you saw a while ago are the things that I invested with for 5 years, okay? Naipon ko paunti-unti yung mga gamit na yan because every time I went into the SM, okay? I went to SM, I went to the Divisoria or to other places where I saw baking tools which I can afford with, so I buy, okay? So that's why I gradually bought the things that is needed in baking, okay? I didn't buy it in one bagsakan, okay? Every time that whenever I go to the place, okay? When I think, oh, I need this, I'm gonna buy this. I did it, and then thanks God, when I left my job, it's been 5 years ago, and then I'm still enjoying being a home-based mom, okay? So for those people who are still working but still planning to, but are also planning to do the freelancing work, okay? So do the sidelines, start doing the sideline even if you're still working, okay? So that whenever you leave your job, you can confidently leave your job, okay? So that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching.